Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
What is up, everybody? Check this beauty out. So this morning, I'm over here at Future Homes in Ocean Isle, North Carolina. Shout out to everybody at Future Homes for getting me over here to view their beautiful models. And this morning, I'm going to be taking you through a Brooksdale on pilings. So you don't get to see this a lot from my channel. Obviously, this is something we can do. You see it more over here on the coast, but it's just something different for you guys to see. So I want to show you a few things on that. The Brooksdale is 1,500 square feet. It is going to consist of a factory front porch, okay? So that length-to-length front porch is included in the base price. As you can kind of see, this is more of a front-loading style floor plan. It is going to run front to back more so rather than side to side, okay? The side deck is completely optional. As you can see, they did a beautiful big deck up there. I just love what the pilings create under the house, kind of a built-in carport area, cornhole area, what have you. Over there, you're going to see the raised compressors and all that for flooding over here. We have done a house on pilings. Obviously, like I said, you're going to see it more on the coast, but it's just unique to see something different if nothing else. So yeah, let's get inside and take a look. So check out this porch. Love the front door. You are seeing some optional vertical siding today. You know that's going to cost you a little bit extra, but I could just see myself overlooking some water, enjoying my coffee.
Oh yeah.
Love it. All right, let's get in and take a look. Again, 1,500 square feet. Nice big living room, which opens up to that kitchen. And then to my right is going to be your dining area. I am now looking back at that front door. So you do have this wall here kind of creating that foyer space, which is nice. And here's me going around that entire living room. Love that accent wall. That is always something you can think about with the different color shiplaps and stuff like that. Beautiful espresso cabinets. You are seeing the Formica today. Love the island. Stainless steel appliances by Whirlpool. And here's that plan. So obviously the front door is on the far right. So again, this is an end loader. So you would be coming in more like this here. Okay. Got some cool stuff like USB outlets by the sink. Beautiful 50/50 drop-in sink there. The prairie grid on the windows. That is always a unique grid pattern. Shaker style cabinets with crown molding and under trim molding. Beautiful. All right, so you've seen the main space. Off of that kitchen area, you're gonna have a hallway, okay? To the left, storage. Can never have too much of that. To my right is the utility room, so a side loading utility room, which feeds onto that deck, which I showed you from the exterior. Washer and dryer hookup. Love the 5-panel doors. We show that in a number of our models, and you've seen that in other videos as well. That craftsman style trim molding around your windows and doors. That is a water heater. You could move that elsewhere and create a closet there. And like I said, it feeds onto that deck. Okay. Directly across from that utility, guess what? More storage. Again, only 1,500 square feet, okay? Bath 2, tub shower combo, optional transom window over that tub shower. Love, love the sinks, the cabinet color, beautiful. And then directly across from bath 2 is the first of the spare bedrooms. Crown molding throughout, 1/2-inch finished sheetrock throughout. Every bedroom is wired and braced for a ceiling fan along with your living room, of course. To my left, again, is that third and final spare bedroom. And then we're going to get into that master suite. I know you guys are excited for this. I feel like a broken record, but for 1,500 square feet, I mean, that's a good sized bedroom. It really is. Got this double door closet. Oh, wow. Got that shelving system running from the floor all the way up, wraparound shelving. And let's check out that bath. Oh, wow. White cabinets giving it that nice and clean look. Again, I love these sinks. And then you are seeing that 4x6 shower today. Notice the dual can lights up above, the rain head, the wand. Got an additional wall-mounted head there. I really love this tile house. Got that texture. That is beautiful. Can't have too much natural light. So I love how, you got that little window there over the toilet. All right, guys. So what you looked at today was a 1,500 square foot front end loader on pilings. Obviously, it does not have to be on pilings or stilts. It could be on a traditional foundation or even a basement. But I thought you guys might enjoy seeing something different. Notice the mounted microwave there. You see a lot of range hoods in my videos. That's something good for you to see. This is a custom all-frame modular. If you have any more questions on this plan or similar plans, please give me a call at 336-226-9066. Please ask to speak with me, Shields. I'd greatly appreciate it. I do want to thank all you guys for the subscriptions and the likes. And every Monday and Thursday, I post a video similar to this. But definitely stay tuned, and I've got a lot of big stuff coming up for you guys. So I'm just so excited to be sharing these beautiful homes with you guys. Take care.